In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images from library on Shopify. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin. This process is done from the Files area, which is where Shopify stores images and other uploads that are not tied only to one product. Deleting images here is a good way to clean up unused files, reduce clutter, and make it easier to find what you need later. Before you delete anything, take a moment to be certain the images are no longer needed for products, pages, blog posts, or theme sections, because once they are deleted, they will no longer be available to display on your store. From your Shopify admin, look at the left side navigation and select Content. Then click on Files. This opens your store's file library, where you can browse and search through uploaded images. If you have many files, scroll carefully and confirm you are selecting the correct ones. It helps to look at the thumbnails and file details so you do not remove something important by accident. Next, find the image or images you want to remove. For each image you want to delete, check the box next to it. You can select a single image or multiple images at the same time. Take your time during this part, especially if the images look similar, since selecting the wrong file could lead to missing images on the storefront. After you have selected the correct image or images, click Delete. Shopify will then show a confirmation prompt. This extra step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so pause and double-check your selection. To finish, click Delete again to confirm. Shopify will remove the selected images from your files library. Give the page a moment to update, and you should see that the files are no longer listed. That covers everything you need to know.